Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16th to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, Air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn or Leo. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Under the deck, the Hangman, Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles, the Hermit. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo and Queen of Cups. I think, Libra, you are a very emotional person. You have very strong emotions towards your person. But right now you're going through some transformation, or you're not talking to anyone, just you're doing your own thing. You're just focusing on yourself. But there is some communication is coming in your way. Someone wants to communicate with you. And you thinking about this person a lot. And you're feeling stuck here. Maybe you don't have some clarity regarding this relationship or some part of your life or some area of your life. Definitely you're feeling stuck here, and some awakening process is also going here. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Emperor, the Fool, and Strength. In recent past, you were on your power, and you took leap of faith, and emotionally you're becoming like a very strong person. In recent past, everything was okay. You were on your power and emotionally as a strong person, and you are going with the flow and living in the present moment. Then present, uh, devil, king of swords, and knight of swords. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. For some it could be a brand new person, for some it could be a past person. It depends on your situation here. I think still you have some fears in your life regarding your relationship or regarding your work. You have some fears and you are feeling stuck here. That's why you want to take control of the situation. Yes, so you take the control of the situation, or you want to take the control of the situation here, because king of swords is here. Your guards are up. Then future, six of pentacles, ace of wands, and the chariot. I think you are getting help from someone here. uh, New opportunities, new beginnings for you. Yes, there will be forward moment in your life, like in career or in relationship. Definitely there will be some forward moment, but it is in very slow moving. But new beginnings, new opportunities for you, Libra. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Ten of Pentacles with the Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. Yeah, there are some stability issues between you and your person, or commitment issues. So let's see. A lot of cards I'm not taking. Under the deck, Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Lots of you are in twin flame journey here. Definitely, your person thinking about stability in this relationship. Your person is also very independent and a workaholic person here. Maybe they are working on their finances right now, but there is some apologies coming, communication is coming here because they're missing you a lot. Five of Cups. Definitely, your person is in very sad situation right now. They're missing you. Their current feelings: Nine of Wands, Four of Swords, and Queen of Swords. So, but they are not showing their emotions, or they don't want to express their feelings right now, because Nine of Wands with Four of Swords, right now they're guarded up, and they're healing, and they're taking rest. Libra. That's why maybe lots of you are in no contact situation right now, and their intentions towards Source, Princess of Wands, and Six of Cups. I think you both thinking about each other a lot of thinking. You both want each other. Definitely, they're going to be communicate with you. You will receive text and communication, but it will take some time because right now your person is in a healing process, and they're taking care of themselves right now, and your person is at some crossroads. Maybe they have to make some choice or decision here, or they are trying to balance things in their life, but they will communicate you because Princess of Wands with Six of Cups. If you are in separation with your person right now, they want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Two cards are not. Yeah, they do have feelings for you. That's why they want to say apology. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. And they want brand new beginnings, and they're going to express their feelings. Maybe for some you both have age difference here. I think you are in a defensive mode right now due to their behavior in past. They behaved hot and cold with you in recent past, cold shouldering energy. That's why right now you are in defensive mode. But again, they're going to communicate with you. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Libra. Definitely, you're both thinking about each other a lot. Lot of spying is going. For some kids also involved in this relationship. Yeah, you are stuck and you are doing your own thing. You are focusing on your career and working hard towards your goals. But they're spying. They're thinking about you a lot. You're both thinking about each other a lot. Especially from their side, they're thinking about you a lot. And lot of spying is going. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Twin flames. Yeah, lots of you maybe are in twin flame journey here. And past life connection and marriage. Marriage could be involved in this relationship. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. So confidence is your key to success. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you want to achieve something big in your life, first you have to believe, because this is the message for you. Believe in the impossible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.